A new day, a new success story, a new scorecard, a new dream fulfilled. Hi guys, Sam here from Avon, Australia, and today I'm making this video to congratulate Netravathi, who recently got her desired score of 8 each and secured 20 points for her PR. And as you can see, she got a great score. She got band 9 in listening, speaking and writing. Now that's a great score. Like Netravathi, you can also get your desired scores, whether it's 6, 7, 8, 9 even. Why not? All you need to do is call us, book a class for PTE, NAATI or IELTS and get started on your journey. You can call us on the given numbers. You can WhatsApp us on that number. And we also have demo classes available. So you can always call us and attend a free demo class for PTE, NAATI or IELTS. We have a guaranteed course, as you can see here, where it is our guarantee that you will get your score, else we'll help you till you get your score for free. So that is the score, guys. As you can see, the results speak for themselves. Call us today, get started on your journey and get your desired score. My name is Sam. I'll see you guys in the class.